Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can swap ETH to USDT on Uniswap using Zengo Wallet. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that your Zengo Wallet is funded with ETH and connected to Uniswap. This allows you to swap tokens safely using Zengo Wallets. So first, you will open your app.uniswap to uniswap.org, and then you will tap connect or connect wallet, and then what you will have to do is the Zengo wallet should be here if it is already connected, and then what you will have to do is basically just approve the connection in your Zengo wallet app, and after that you will click swap, which is right here, and then what you will have to do next is select ETH as the token to spend, and then you will select USDT as the token to receive. So after that, you will enter the amount and review the estimated USDT. So whatever amount that you prefer, just type it in. And then finally, you will just have to approve the transaction in Zengo wallet. And then you will wait for the confirmation and check your wallet balance. Double check gas fees before confirming. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.